absolutely love this product because hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today in this video I'm gonna talk about my favorite skincare holy grails, the product that I absolutely love. These are the products that I repurchased over and over again because they work so well for my skin type, and for reference I have extremely dry skin, so the products I'm gonna show you, most of these are suitable for dry skin. So let's get started. So I'm gonna start in no particular order. I just kept this cute basket with all the products that I absolutely love. I have so much skincare with me, so I spend a lot of time thinking about the products that I really enjoy using and that I have actually repurchased. I hope this video is gonna be a little helpful for you guys. So the first product that I'm gonna talk about is this Haru Haru Wonder toner. This is the third bottle I guess that I have. There's also like this much left. I just absolutely love this product because this is so lightweight and at the same time it really hydrates your skin. This is something that I absolutely enjoy using, and this is my favorite toner, and I have so many toners. You can check my videos. I have reviewed so many Korean toners and I'll mention the link in the I button so you can go and check if you want to. So yeah, this is my favorite toner of all the toners that I have. So after toner I'm gonna talk about the serum, and you guys must have guessed by now my favorite serum of all times is none other than this Beauty of Joseon serum. This is my third bottle I guess, and you can see only this much is left and I have a backup already. I have used so many Korean serums, but this one always stood out for me. It is like, it has niacinamide in it, plus it is very hydrating on the skin. So this is all that I need because my skin is dry, so I always need products that can hydrate my skin, and this is one of those products. Like if I'm using only this product before my moisturizer, my skin will be so plumped and juicy. Like today I've used this serum before my moisturizer and I don't have any highlighter or anything on my skin right now, and you can see my skin itself. I don't have any makeup on except my blush. Usually my skin is so dry, like I have to do my 3-4 steps of skincare, which includes 3 steps of toner and then 2 different serums and then moisturizer. Then my skin feels like okay, not very hydrating. But once I use this serum, it automatically feels very plump, very hydrated. That's why I love this serum. So if you are someone with dry skin, I will 1000% recommend this product. I cannot tell you enough how amazing this product is. This is Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum, by the way, if I didn't mention. Now I'm gonna talk about my favorite moisturizer. I have a lot of moisturizers with me. I've tried a lot of moisturizers by now, but this is the moisturizer that actually stood out to me. This is not a Korean moisturizer. For the first time, the first product that is actually amazing and it's not Korean is this First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Moisturizer. I have this big tube I got after using the smaller version of this, and this is also like almost finished. I think this much is left I guess, or maybe less. So no matter how drying or how irritated my skin feels, like if you have dry skin, you know sometimes you just get dry patches on your face. Like I especially get dry patches on my forehead and on my cheek area. That time, like no matter what you use, your skin never feels hydrated. It's always stretchy, always like harsh. So this is a true ultra repair cream, as the name says, because it is so beautiful. So you apply a thick layer of this cream and you can skip every single skincare step that you do if you have dry skin. I'm telling you guys, my skin is like not normal dry, it's like Sahara desert dry. I have to put moisturizer morning night every time. So this is the moisturizer that I use when my skin is irritated, when my skin is not behaving. That is my holy grail actually, and I'm going to order another one of this really soon. So next up I'm gonna talk about is an oil. This one is from Color Bar. It's their Cellular Moisture Boost Treatment Oil. This is the product that I have got like 4th bottle I guess. I did use different oils as well on my skin, but this has something, I don't know, something different in this. Like the formula is so good, it doesn't feel oily. That is the best part about this thing. Like this is oil, but it doesn't feel oily, it feels hydrating. For face like mine, you just need 2 drops of it. It just gives that hydration to your skin that you really need, especially on those drying winter days. This is an amazing product for that, just take my words. I have used so many oils, Korean oils as well, but this is the best oil. I got it from India. The brand is Color Bar. For my lips, my holy grail product out of all the lip balms I have is this Laneige lip slipping mask. No matter how drying your lips are, how chapped they are, just apply it and overnight it's gonna transform your lips. That's what I'm gonna say. It's a mask, so don't apply it as a lip balm, especially if you have chapped lips and you want to use it as a treatment. Like sometimes you have like cracked lips. After this, I never had that issue ever in my life. Like just take a scoop of it, apply it like this, a single layer. Don't rub it on your lips. Apply a single layer and don't rub your lips like this. That's how you are supposed to apply this. And next morning you're gonna wake up with most beautiful pinky hydrated lips. And this product is a little expensive for lip balms, but is totally worth it because you are getting huge amount and you don't even need that much. This is gonna last you for like a year. Plus this is very effective, so very good. Okay, so we are just left with last two products, and that is my deep skincare combo that I use. One is this scrub, which is this Smart Peel Honey Sugar Scrub. This is from the brand Face Shop. And last one is this Pore Clay Mask. This one is from Innisfree. Both of these are Korean products. I absolutely love this product because this has like a little sugar granules in it. So the moment you just scrub your face, they melt into your skin. It feels so amazing. Your skin afterwards feels so clear and so breathable. So it is such an amazing, I have like never used a scrub like this before. This is an amazing product and I've been using this from like last 7-8 months and it's still so much left in this. So you just need tiniest amount of this. It is really good. This combined with clay mask, which is from Innisfree, or any clay mask that you like, you can use. Clay mask in summer especially are really good in cleaning that pores. This is my absolute favorite recommendation for a pore clay mask if you're looking for one. I have a dedicated video of this product on my channel. I'll link it in the I button. You can check it out from there. These are all the products that are my absolute favorite holy grails. That's all that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye.